Hello everyone, it's Frank here, and in today's video guys I'll be showing you how to create your seller's account. Okay, so if you're new on my channel, my name is Frank and I go online and research about many things like anything digital, and I come back to YouTube and share my findings. Okay, so without wasting much of the time, let's begin. So first step is go to your browser. I'm on my browser right now, and type let me do it again, seller.co. Okay, sorry, that's supposed to be R here. .co. Okay, so click enter. It's loading. Okay, we are on the home page right now. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is click on here, that says start selling. Okay, as you can see, I'm already logged in here, so I will just log out for today's tutorial. Okay, so I'll just log out. Okay, I'll just log out. Okay, as you can see, here is my details. Okay, so what you need to do is, since you don't have an email, since you don't have an account with them, so all you need to do is click on this place that says don't have an account, create one for free. Okay, you click on it, and so I'm not going to be creating another one because I already have one already. Okay, so what you need to do is, here they say email, input your email, type in your email, and here enter your name and your password and click create. Okay, and you will be successfully created your account. And as you can see here, they say the email field is required, the full name is required, the password is required. Okay, because I did not enter one, so since I have an account here, I'll just log into my account, and I'll just click login. Okay, so I created this account here. Okay, as you can see, I only have 3 products uploaded. Okay guys, so guys, as you can see, I have, let me click it so that you see the product that I have. I have one email, nuts and bolts, the copywriter's handbook, magic copywriting. So these courses are very high, like they are crazy. You can check it out and buy one, and you will not regret buying it. Okay guys, so thank you guys. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. And in the next video guys, I will be showing you guys how to upload your product, your digital product, on this platform called Selar. And on another one, I will be teaching you guys where you can get your free ebook, that was created by a professional, and also you can resell it and make thousands of naira on it. Okay guys, thank you guys for staying. All right, see you on the next video. Thank you.